Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will let you know how to connect PC internet to mobile via Wi-Fi. Open the Start. Click the window logo in the bottom left corner of the screen. Open Settings. Click the setting gears in the lower left side of the Start menu. The settings window will open. Click Network and Internet. It's the globe-shaped icon in the middle of the settings window. Click the Mobile Hotspot tab. This is on the left side of the window. Click the grey Mobile Hotspot switch. It's at the top of the page. Clicking the switch turns it on, which signifies that your computer is now broadcasting your internet connection. Review the network name and password. In the middle of the page, look at the network name and network password headings to determine the name and password of your mobile hotspot. Connect your smartphone to your Wi-Fi network. Now that your Wi-Fi hotspot is set up on your computer, you can connect to it via your smartphone's Wi-Fi menu. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.